In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated GIF to Outlook Signature. Before we dive in, a quick tip: choose a small, tasteful GIF so your emails load quickly. Keeping the file under a megabyte and at a reasonable width helps it look professional and display consistently. First, open your signature settings. Depending on your Outlook layout, you can get there in a couple of ways. You can go to File, then Options, then Mail, and select Signatures. Or, if you're already in a new email, choose Signature and then Signatures. In some layouts, you'll click the gear icon, search for Signature, and open Email Signature. Any of these paths takes you to the editor where your signatures live. Next, pick an existing signature you want to update, or click New to create one. Give it a clear name so you can identify it later. In the editor toolbar, look for the Image or Insert Pictures inline icon and click it. Browse to your GIF file and upload it. Once it appears in the signature block, resize it by dragging the corners so it fits nicely with your text. You can also drag the image to position it exactly where you want it within the signature, whether that's above your contact details, beside your name, or at the bottom. Now add any supporting text you need, like your role, company, or a short tagline. If you want your GIF or any text to be clickable, use the hyperlink option in the editor to link to your website, a calendar booking page, or a campaign URL. Linking the image itself is a great way to make the GIF functional, not just decorative. When you're happy with how it looks, apply your changes. On desktop, click OK. On the web, click Save. Then set your signature defaults so Outlook uses it automatically. Choose it for new messages and, if you'd like, for replies and forwards as well. That way, you don't have to insert it manually every time. Finally, test it. Compose a quick email to yourself and send it. Open it on your desktop Outlook and, if possible, check it on the web version or your phone to confirm the animation plays and the layout holds up. Some email clients may show only the first frame of a GIF, so testing helps you catch that. If the animation looks choppy, reduce the GIF size or simplify the frames. That's it, you've added an animated GIF to your Outlook signature and set it to appear automatically. Thanks for watching.